You're bidding on a amp O-Lectric. This is a terminal installer. I'll have all the different models in the ad. This is just a video showing the complete item and its functionality. Why don't you turn them on? Okay, and hit that foot switch back there. You can see it appears to be fully functional. There's also something here for the air. We don't have any air hooked up to it because I don't have a clue as to how to make this thing function. And I'll have the right number for this fixture here in the ad. This is what it is. Good luck bidding.